You better not fail me. Ultraman Star, this will be your last battle. Just like it's showtime. That's right, I'm you, from evil. I was hoping to say that. Once I defeat you, the real Ultraman Star will take over. You should be the one that's giving up.
Goes Andreas. Destroy everything. Fool! Not the trees. The buildings. You idiot. What are you waiting for? Destroy it. Oh, destroy it. Oh, make me. Oh no. Oh, you better destroy it. Come on.
Do it myself. Back up. Move back. Let me do something. It worked. Now the fate of the shadows relies in my own hands. The four shadow kaijus stay here. All of you come with me so we can defeat Ultraman Star.